Hello, my name is Amrita Asati and I am from Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my schooling and graduation from Ratlam. Thereafter, I moved to Pune to pursue my PGDM from IIEBM Indus Business School. And from that point onwards, my life took a completely positive turn which was full of happiness, new friends, productivity and success. Earlier, before my PGDM, I was a very introvert person and I did not realize that I have many skills in myself out of which I had no idea. But after coming to IIEBM, I got several chances to showcase my talents and my skills, and then I realized that I have many skills which were not utilized by me earlier. So I got a chance to showcase my leadership skills in various events, and I didn't develop myself only on the academic front, but I also went to yoga classes which were a mandatory part in our curriculum, which helped me to focus on my health as well. Because you know that MBA is a tough job. You barely get any time to look after your health. But when yoga is the part of your curriculum, then you get time to focus on yourself as well. And as we all know that health is above everything. So when you get a chance to look after your health, you become extra productive. I also got a chance to work with a very good company during my summer internship, which was Gabriel India Limited. It was a 6-month internship in Pune, and I got a very good amount of practical training since it was offline. So I got a chance to interact with very people in the corporate world and to realize that sometimes the knowledge that you gain from books is not that beneficial as it is when you combine it with the practical training. So IIEBM made sure that even if it is COVID time, then we get a perfect combination of knowledge and training. We got various chances to give presentations which helped us evolve as a better presenter, that developed our communication skills, speaking skills, which were very helpful to me in my career. And apart from the course that we get in India, IIEBM made sure that their students go to an extra mile by doing some certificate courses from outside the country as well. So one of such courses was CISI, which is given by the Chartered Institute of Securities and Investment based in UK. So I cleared 2 levels. One was International Introduction to Securities and Investment. The second one was Global Securities Operation. It helped me to get an edge over my competitors. Like, you know, when you sit for placements, you are not the only one sitting there. People from different colleges come together. So when you have such things, that makes you different from the crowd. And talking about my college, it is a perfect place if you are looking for something beyond a job. It does not give you a job only. It also gives you the ethics that by which you will be known. You are not known only by the work you do, but also by how you behave. IIEBM inculcates a sense of self-discipline in yourself. And talking about the dressing, we all know in our offices, we are expected to behave in the modest way. So in some offices, you are told to wear saris on ethnic day. Many girls are not comfortable because they have not wore it. But in IIEBM, every Tuesday we are asked to wear saris. So we know how to look sober in every dress, whether it's t-shirts, saris, suits or business formals. So IIEBM is a complete package if you want to be leader for life.